The best Bluetooth headphones that we have tested are the Sony WH-1000XM4 wireless. These wireless over-ears are well built, quite comfortable, and have a comprehensive, fairly easy to use, touch-sensitive control scheme. With an outstanding battery life of just under 38 hours, they should have no trouble lasting you throughout the work week. They also support multi-device pairing, which is useful if you like to listen to content on your phone and computer. They have a somewhat bass-heavy default sound profile that should please fans of EDM and hip-hop, but may not suit all listeners. Thankfully, you can fine-tune your listening experience with a graphic EQ or audio presets inside their feature-rich Sony Headphones Connect companion app, which also allows you to remap the function for their custom button, control their auto-off timer, and play music through a built-in media player. Their ANC system is highly effective and helps them do an outstanding job of filtering out everything from the low rumble of construction equipment or the high-pitched hum of an AC unit. Unfortunately, their integrated mic provides middling recording quality, making your voice sound thin and muffled. They're also a little on the bulk side, though they do come with a sturdy hard carrying case to make it easier to transport them around when not in use. They are a highly versatile choice and are a good fit for many different users. If you're looking for a pair of Bluetooth headphones with an even more comfortable fit, take a look at the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2. They aren't as well built as the Sony WH-1000XM4 wireless and have a battery life that's a little over half as long, but the Bose are even more comfortable with a relatively lightweight design and a generous amount of padding used on their ear cups and headband. Some may also prefer the reliance on physical buttons over Sony's touch-sensitive control scheme. While their ANC system isn't quite as effective, they still do an outstanding job of blocking out ambient noise. They also provide a more neutral sound profile, though it can be adjusted since their companion app lacks an EQ or audio presets. Like Sony, they support multi-device pairing too. The best wireless headphones under $200 that we have tested are the Razer Opus. These wireless over-ears are impressively well built and comfortable enough to wear for hours at a time. They are stable enough to stay in place during light workouts and have a comprehensive control scheme that's easy to use. They supply over 32 hours of continuous playback time, so you shouldn't need to worry about charging them too often either. Out of the box, they have a very well balanced sound profile that should suit most types of audio content. That said, if you are the type who likes to fine-tune your listening experience, the companion app gives you access to audio presets and a graphic EQ. These over-ears also have a highly effective ANC system that allows them to filter out a remarkable amount of background noise, from the low rumble of bus and plane engines to a chatter of nearby co-workers. Unfortunately, they don't support multi-device pairing, which can be annoying if you want to remain connected to two audio sources at the same time. They are also somewhat bulky, though they do have a sturdy feeling case to carry them around when not in use. Overall, thanks to their rich feature set and comfortable sturdy design, they are also among the best over-ear headphones we have tested.